Hello, I'm Ilaria Maselli, Senior Economist at the Conference Board, and this is your August Economics Watch brief for Europe. Growth in the euro area economy continues to taper off, mostly due to lower external demand. GDP growth was 0.3% in the second quarter compared to 0.4% in the first quarter. Going forward, domestic demand also needs to be watched closely. Consumer confidence is showing signs of waning, and that may bring on a decline in spending. In January 2018, for the first time since the global financial crisis, more euro area consumers expressed a positive outlook on the economic, financial and employment situation than a less bright one. During the current expansion, consumer confidence increased as unemployment declined and wages rose. But recently, the balance of consumer sentiment has turned slightly negative again. While consumer confidence is still very high in historical terms, the important question is whether it will continue declining as it has over the last 5 months and begin to depress spending. Growth in retail trade, for instance, may already have suffered from this declining confidence. The growth rate of retail trade declined from an average of 2.3% in 2017 to 1.5% this year. There is still room for unemployment to decline further in some countries, and wage growth remains far below the 3 to 4% observed before the financial crisis. But during the first quarter of this year, it was already in line with the long-term average of 2.2%, and we expect still more pressure on wages. Stronger wage growth may pump confidence again and therefore spending. But it can also go the other way. Increasing inflation rates could add pressure to the growth outlook. Stronger inflation at 2.1% in June could hit the purchasing power of households and make consumers more wary of spending. I'm Ilaria Maselli, and this was your Economics Watch brief for Europe.